Phonics Tips You May Not Know, Part 8.
It's important to teach your child the difference between voiced and unvoiced sounds. Voiced sounds activate our vocal cords and unvoiced sounds don't activate our vocal cords. We can put these into pairs, meaning we form the sound the exact same way using our mouth, teeth, and tongue, but the only difference is going to be whether our voice is on or off. All of the pairs are on the screen. All of our nasal sounds, our liquids, our glides, and our vowels will all be voiced sounds.